Hi, I'm Shane Jolley and I'm joined by the incredible Masa from Asian Inspirations. Now Masa, I'm a little bit excited today because I believe we're cooking one of my favourite cuisines in Japanese.
Today we're going to make a Mince Katsu. So Menchi means mince in Japanese.
Right.
So we're going to start making the mixture first.
Okay.
This is the beef mince. Chuck it in. Put the mince. We get the onions.
Of course, that fried food culture is very prominent in Japan, isn't it?
Yes.
Very much so.
And it's like one of the most main staple meals in Japan as well.
Yeah, it really is.
At least once a week.
All right.
Just use your hands and mix it all together just until the mince starts to become a little bit more stickier.
Okay.
Because at first, because it's straight out of the fridge and everything, it's a bit hard. We'll add a bit of tomato paste.
Okay.
Tofu.
Yep.
It creates that softer texture.
Okay.
And it also adds a bit of air inside. And that's how it makes it a bit fluffy.
And with the katsu, I mean, you could do pork, beef, chicken.
Literally anything. You can try this with pork, you can try this with chicken.
Okay.
Now that the mixture is all mixed up, we're gonna add a bit of panko crumbs in there. Now panko is gonna be the thing that's gonna make it hard and gonna keep it together.
Okay.
Japanese panko crumbs, especially these ones from the bento brand, they're very nice and fine, so you can also use it for extra textures. For example, when you're making like gratins, you can put a little bit of panko crumbs over the top. Nice. That works really well. And it also works really well when you're making something like these because it blends in really well.
Yeah, it does.
So now that we combine everything together, we're going to shape it into a round shape.
Okay.
And thanks to the bento breadcrumbs, it combines all the ingredients really well.
Yeah, it does. They don't fall apart.
So just use your hands, make it round.
Yep.
Preferably make it a bit flat so that the heat goes through quickly.
Okay.
Before the crumb burns.
Okay. Sure.
Although you can always adjust the heat of the oil, so it shouldn't be much of a problem.
All right.
Okay.
We ready to crumb?
We're ready to crumb.
All right.
Once the katsu goes in, just lower the temperatures a little bit.
Okay.
So that you want to cook through the meat.
Right, okay. And how long roughly do we keep them in the pan?
Usually it's approximately about 5 minutes. Okay. Depending on how thick the mince is. That's why I made it quite flat this time.
They are smelling delicious.
Thank you.
Wow. Great.
And if you're ever unsure if it's cooked or not, then just get one, use a knife, just open it up, and have a look at the inside.
Okay. Nice and brown?
Nice and brown.
Yep. And you usually accompany katsu with cabbage and the like?
Yes.
Yep.
Usually it's cabbage, because cabbage helps it to digest the fattiness of the oil, and that's why every katsu shop will have a cabbage together with it.
Nice. There's only one thing that's missing, the biru.
The biru, yeah, exactly. I misplaced that, I'm sorry. I should have brought it in today.
Looks great.
Thank you very much.
Well done, sir. Excellento.
I'll just go buy the beer.
Yeah, sounds good.